When setting the gun up for Cuphead pins, take the Euro to be colored adapter, insert it into the gun shaft, and tighten the retaining nut. Loosen the adapter's small set screws enough to insert the magnetic chuck into the adapter. Once inserted, tighten the set screws snugly. To complete the setup, rotate the spring preload knob located at the back of the gun counterclockwise until it stops. When shooting Cuphead pins, you'll want to employ a technique called floating the gun. We want to compress the gun shaft to the center of its travel. We want to avoid compressing the gun shaft completely. You can see the technique demonstrated here. Proper surface prep is essential to getting good, consistent welds. Be sure to sand or grind rusty or painted surfaces so you are welding onto clean, shiny metal. We here at Stud Welding Products hope you found this video helpful. If you would like more information, please visit our website at studweldprod.com or give us a call at 1-800-252-1919. Thank you for watching.